lovers, you're welcome back to Lover's Bed, your go-to channel for intimate couples massage tips. My name is Faithy. Today, we'll be talking about something very special, something you will be using to perform your massage on your partner. Without wasting any time, I will be teaching you on simple homemade items, massage items, things you'll be needing to perform the massage on your partner. Stay tuned. Without wasting any time at all, let's dive right into it. The first on the list is DIY Aromatherapy Massage Oil. Hear the name DIY, meaning it's something that is less expensive, something that would not break your pocket, something you can make at the comfort of your home and friendly to the pocket. Like I said, you could get your coconut oil, you could get your almond oil, you could get olive oil and mix it with essential oil like lavender oil, vanilla oil, sandalwood oil. To mix it with any of that and just add a little bit of mint oil, because mint oil do the magic. It does the magic. It helps the oil to get into the muscle and do relieve your partner of the pain. So you need to get this oil to set the mood right. Believe me, by the time you start performing the massage with all of this I have listed, or with any of the two combinations, you're good to go. So the next on the list is a warm towel compress. What you need to do is get a clean towel. The towel has to be clean, preferably white towel. Then you get your warm water ready with a few drops of the essential oil. Remember what your essential oils are. They are the vanilla, the lavender, or the sandalwood oil, with a little drop of mint oil in it. Then after which you drop it in the warm water before you soak the towel in the warm water. Then when you soak the towel in the warm water, you leave it just within 2 to 3 minutes. It's fine. Bring it out and place it around the shoulder or where he or she is feeling the pain. So what this does is it opens up the muscle. It helps the muscle to relax or relieve the muscle of the pain, because you know our body is wired with muscle, as we all know. So it relieves your spouse of pain. That is what the warm towel compress does. The next on the list is sugar scrub. Something you can do for yourself. It is not expensive, it's friendly to the pocket. So you get your sugar ready, you get olive oil or coconut oil, whichever you wish. Mix it together with lemon juice. If you so please, it's not compulsory you add lemon, but if you want to, you could add lemon, because we react to things differently. So when you mix this all together, it helps to exfoliate the skin, whereby helping you get a very good massage at the end of the day. Note, this could be done before or after the massage. You could do it at any time you want, as it is for the skin, and it's also help the muscle as well when you have a good scrub on your skin. The next one is the scented candle and soft music. setting the mood. It does not have to be all perfect, but for you to at least get the sense of you are in a spa and setting the mood right and getting that sensual feeling. And then you could download music from YouTube. You're going to get a lot of soft music which you can play while massaging your partner. All of this is just to set the mood right. You light the scented candle. I know we must have, gotten the feeling of how a scented candle smells. You know that feeling that comes with it, with a dim light and also the soft music. I'm telling you, this is your go for relaxation. Your partner will sleep off before you know it. And at the end of the day, you're going to get a gift. Trust me. There you have it, lovers. 5 homemade massage items to turn an ordinary night into an unforgettable experience. Trust me, this would work. Like I always tell you, romance doesn't cost a thing. This little thing on the side works. So you would do well to let me know what you think, and you could also ask questions. Do well to like, subscribe, and share to your friends that might need this. See you next time on Lover's Bed. Thank you.